now offering a quick release adapter for the stainless steel wand. And so you just screw this in, tighten that down, and now you can connect the stainless steel wand using quick release to the M18 brass quick release. We've introduced the new brass valve handle. It's a linear design, and it's got M18 threads on the output, and it's also got about a 9mm barb. So you would just slip the hose on there and put hose clamps, or you can make a little pigtail with quick release or whatever you want. This is popular with professionals. We also have a rebuild kit